In case you're wondering why there's no audio in this video, this is time lapse and it doesn't record audio. What you're seeing here is what we put up with for 4 days straight, one day after another. We got wind gusts up to 70 miles an hour and it caused roof damage. And this is what this video is about. Got shingles missing there by the swamp cooler. A lot of them right there. Whole lot of them blown off right there. Yep, a lot of them. Alright, we're up on the roof. Let's see what we got here. We got one missing there, one broke, well, two of them missing. Here's another two. Two or three. This is three. Okay, we got 3 flappers and 1 missing, so that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are flappers. 9, 10, 11, another flapper, 12, 13, 14's a flapper, and then we got this. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 down, and looks like 1 across on each of them. But anyway, this is what that looks like. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. A bunch of pull-in staples, but okay. So we got this mess right here, which is this mess right here. So that's 14 on here, and then we got this. And then I guess that, and here's another missing one right here. That's 15. Is that 15? That's missing. 16's a flapper. So we got 16 individual ones, and we got this mess. Okay, this is what I got done. I put bricks, all the ones that's got flappers on it, so the flappers don't take off in the wind. That's these right here. And then right here, I put bricks all around the edges so they won't lift up and blow more off. So, because the wind's picking up again. So I don't think we're out of the woods yet. So I still got to go to the store, and I ordered 10 tubes of roof cement. So when I put the new ones down, I can cement them so they don't pull up. See how these lay down real good? Well, that's because you got roofing cement under the leading edge of them. All right, well, I'm winded, and that's it. And then I got all this to do. Now, what you're looking at here, you can see the new stuff that I put on there. That's all that blew it off right down to the bare roof, down to the brown paper. And as you can see, the chicken wire is holding it down good until I can get in there and put glue under it. And as you can also hear, we got winds blowing out of the south-southwest again. All right, well, it's getting pretty windy up here, so I'm going to have to make a decision what I'm going to do. I don't want to get blown off the roof here. Yeah. And make it 16. I got to cut that one out and replace it. I didn't want to replace the whole sheet because every time you lift that up to replace one sheet or 3 shingles, what you're doing is you're pulling up at least the next one up and the one above that, working those loose. So you got to be real careful. All right, well, let me see if I can find some bricks to put on these so I don't lose them. Yeah, I got that screen's holding that down real good. See what that chicken wire does? It lays down on it. You put bricks on it, and it keeps the wind from being able to get up underneath it and start making it do this right here. Because the glue strips, like right here, that's where the glue strip is on the new shingles. But the problem is that glue doesn't stick until this until this roof gets hot and it kind of melts it. And I'm here to tell you that glue isn't worth a damn because it doesn't stick good, because it wouldn't do this. See how this right here? What happens is that red dirt gets up underneath there, and that glue gets brittle and it doesn't stick, comes unstuck. Next thing you know, it's doing that. So Okay, well, I got everything glued down and replaced as far as the shingle sheets. I got this right here to finish gluing down. This is the large pieces that blew off the roof. I got the new shingle strips down, but they're not glued down, and the factory glue strip that's on these shingles is not good. It doesn't stick good in the harsh environment where I live. It gets red dirt underneath it, and next thing you know, in 6 months it's up flapping in the breeze again. So what I'm going to do is, like you saw me in this previous segment, I'm going to put roof cement under the leading edge of each one of them, and then that should hold it down just like that other patch up there you can see up in the middle of the frame up there of the picture. So anyway, that's it for this springtime blow. All we can do is wait and see what happens with the next one. And by the way, thanks everybody for watching my video.